Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Absolute Technologies. I'm Suhail, and today I'm giving you the comparison between these two uh, Apple Magic keyboards. This one is the old model and it support up to M1, and this is the latest model Magic Keyboard Pro, and this model connect with M2, M4 and the the up models, the fourth generations model. So there's two changes in this new keyboard. Number one is this connectivity here, and this connectivity, the connectors are changed little bit, and the other major things are the keyboard button. As you can see here, these are the options you have, like light, same like your laptop. You have volume key, you have search key, you have sleep key. You can pause music, you can forward, you can increase volume down, you can lock it. These are the shortcuts I can show you here. These are the buttons which you cannot see in this old model. This is the old model. So this is the major change in this latest keyboard. So this is the change, and it support only M4 and the up models, and this is the old model which support up to M1. So this is the major change Apple have done in this Magic Keyboard Pro. Please like and subscribe my channel Absolute Technologies. Take care. Allah Hafiz.